So have you ever told yourself, I wish Pro Tools can do this? Well, you know it's actually possible. Now, a lot of people don't know this. If you go over to Pro Tools Idea Scale.com, you can actually request a function. Will it make it into Pro Tools? It all depends. Come to the site and they vote for your idea, then it's possible that you can see your idea in a future version of Pro Tools. So if we scroll down, these are all ideas. I remember when delay compensation, that was probably something that was on the top of the list. And I believe it stood there for quite some time before they got around to it. So if we go to popular, freeze track feature. As you can see, completed. The thing is, not a lot of people know about this site. Going through forums, people are always wanting certain features, but they have no idea that you can actually come to the site and request a function. If it makes sense and other people agree, let the voting begin. Who knows? They might actually consider your idea. Wouldn't it be nice to see something within Pro Tools that you know you started? Pretty quick video, but I thought this was pretty important. So what do you guys think about this? Let me know.